Language models are computer systems that create text similar to how humans write. They are used in many areas like creating summaries, translating languages, and more. One big problem with language models is that they can be slow and use a lot of computer power. They take time to produce text, especially if the model is large or the text is complex. RecycleGPT helps solve this problem by reusing some of the work from earlier steps. It has two main parts, a small neural network called a recyclable module, and a process called a recycling mechanism. The recyclable module can be added to any layer of a language model like GPT-3. The recycling mechanism saves and uses earlier results to help with later steps. By using RecycleGPT, a language model doesn't have to repeat the entire process every time, saving time and effort. It can also make the text it creates better by making it more coherent and varied.